Is it pink?
Yes.
Oh, it is pink.
What was this?
I don't know. Let's find out. Can you take it out? What is it?
Let me take out.
Oh. Sorry. Move the bag. There you go.
What's it?
What is it? What does it look like?
It's still there.
A scooter. Yeah. Is that cool? Turn around. Come back this way. Ah, don't run into me. Oh no. Ah. Look up, please. Is that cool?
Uh-huh.
You didn't say thank you to Grandma Harmon?
Sissy.
Look up at the camera.
Sissy.
What's your favorite part about it?
Riding on it.
Riding on it? Yeah. Cool. Okay, we'll go ride it more.